You may like to switch on your cameras. Just a quick introduction. Names I can see, but if you can talk a little more, couple of sentences, everyone, especially which place have you logged in from? Anyone and everyone can open up, speak. I'm talking from the Shad Garden Valley. Yes, Shalini, go ahead, please. Great.
Good evening, sir. I'm Dr. Shalini Pare. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm working with Manipal University, Jaipur.
Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. Anyone, please. Next, quickly. My request is we wait for a couple of minutes to allow more people to join because the fun is in the quiz when we have more participants, and especially when we are saying they are going to be winners for the cash prize. In the meanwhile, you can switch on, unmute, switch on camera, speak. Where have you logged in from? Quickly. Names I can see. Prakriti, we couldn't hear you very well.
Good afternoon. Good evening. I am Prakriti from Delhi.
Delhi. Great. Thank you. And one of the winners last time, right?
Actually, last two times.
Last two times, great. The next time we will put a condition that you will have to bring in 10 more participants, then only you will be allowed to participate. We can't hear you, sorry. You went on mute.
Oh, I have asked my friends to join the quiz, but they don't join. What can I do now?
Right. So asking is not enough. You'll have to drag them into the session. That will be the condition for you. Great. 3 minutes over. So my suggestion is we start. Good evening once again. Welcome to the session. This is PR&P Standing Committee of IEEE Delhi section. A different type of activity we thought this year that we'll start running these quizzes. The first one was generally about IEEE and IEEE Delhi section. Second one, last month, was about IEEE ethics and code of conduct. And today, the third one. So, which means we have kept these activities as monthly activities. Third quiz, purely technical today. I'll start with a little introduction of the PR&P Standing Committee. Sharing my screen. Hope you can see. Someone please confirm. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
It's visible.
Great.
Welcome to the third quiz.
In the city for this disturbance. I need to go mute on Facebook. Yeah.
Series
You can see.
by PR&P Standing Committee of IEEE Delhi section. This time it's a technical quiz on Friday, 13th December at 7:30 p.m. IST. Anyone and everyone can participate.
My apologies. I'm not able to control this. Give me a few seconds, please. So, quick question.
It's
What can
open
you
to
see?
IEEE members, non-IEEE members from Delhi, and
This is some mistake. Okay, quickly, then I'll go to this one. I hope you can see the PR&P stand.
happy to introduce the PR&P Standing Committee, who is calling upon everyone
Can you see my accelerator? Can someone confirm, please?
Yes, it's visible.
Great. Great. So you all need to use your phones for this quiz. Please go to kahoot.it. KAHOOT.it. It'll ask you to enter game pin, which is just coming up on the screen. 4393158. You can scan this QR code also. Go to kahoot.it. People have started logging in, so it works. Good news. Welcome. Contestants, I believe that's what we have. So I would like to start. All the best to all. This is technical quiz I had said earlier. The first question coming up for you. In computer networking, the term bandwidth refers to the maximum data transfer rate of a network connection. True or false? Everyone answered it correctly. Very good. Let's see. The scoreboard. Sharik, congratulations with 952 at the top. But there's a lot to go and all this can change. A solid-state drive SSD uses spinning disks to store data similar to a traditional hard drive. Two couldn't get it right. Sorry, two got it right. As we expected, the scoreboard is moving, which is good. Keep challenging each other, please. Number 3, with double points. Python is a compiled programming language that is This means I'm expecting a big change now. Sharik comes up once again at the top. Excellent. True or false continues. The Internet Protocol address is a unique identity. That's the speed I want to see every time. Still Sharik at the top. Prakriti giving a good challenge. Everyone else can also pick up. True or false continues. Number 5, cybersecurity. A phishing attack is designed to steal sensitive information. Depending a lot happening in this space. Everyone must be right. Then we are aware. Thank you very much. Keep learning by participating and keep earning also. 6th, true or false, Moore's law states that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles approximately every 2 years, or is it 4 years or 10 years? Hmm. Too much. To share with you all, the scoring happens like this, that you need to answer it right, but you get higher scores, higher points if you answer it quicker also. So both matter. Some changes happening. Keep moving. IEEE standard 8029 IT. We too got it right. And Sharik comes up once again. Prakriti chasing, as always. The type of question says is a quiz. Which of these is a machine learning algorithm used for classification? You have 45 seconds for. Six, got it right. Excellent. Number 1, 2 still appears to be close contestants. Mohit catching up fast. Yashika, everyone else, all the best. Next quiz. Which of the following IEEE standards is related to Bluetooth? Participants has increased. I like that. Still a lot of time. Anyone new joiners can.
Just an online quiz by IEEE.
Even the new joiners can win, because there's a lot yet to come. Multiple different types of questions, different types of scoring, etc. So you can still keep calling others to join. Let's see the scoreboard. Mohit moves up. Great. Quiz with double points. In machine learning, which technique is commonly used for dimensionality? 5 seconds to answer this one. It's called PC, principal component analysis. Arjun moves up, great. In AI, which approach involves agents that learn by receiving rewards? For the benefit of those who might have joined a little late, please go to kahoot.it and enter this pin. You see this at the bottom, kahoot.it, pin 4393158. You can still join it and still chance to score big to be one of the winners. There are cash prizes to be won, and the prizes are disbursed within 24-36 hours. Someone need to challenge Prakriti. Quiz with double points once again. Which of the following is a standard file format for storing digital certificates? Digital certificates stored in this file format. .pdf, .cdr, .xml, .txt, .success, .pxt. .c are the correct answer. With one new entry in participants, let's see if the scoreboard moves differently. Yashka at the top, great. That's how it should happen. Keep challenging each other, please. Quiz, multi-select, and double points. Which of the following are types of operating systems? Get 45 seconds. Multi-select means there could be more than one correct answer. Select as many as correct. Scoring happens that you answer correctly and you answer fast. So it's Windows, Linux, and iOS. Any changes happening here? I see a little movement at the bottom, but Yashika and Mohit still topping. Quiz, multiple select, standard scoring. Which of the following protocols operate at the transport layer? Protocols operating at the transport layer. UTP, UDP, SCTP, USP. TCP and UDP, correct answer. Once again, for the benefit of those who might have joined late and might have been waiting, please go to kahoot.it. At the bottom of the screen, you will see this kahoot.it and enter this pin 4393158. You can still join. There's a lot to go. You can still be one of the winners, or even if not the winner, you could be challenging the winners. Yashika and Mohit at the top continue to do great. Multi-select quiz. Which of these statements are true for cloud computing models? Multi-select means there can be more than one correct answer. Select as many as you need. Correct? We have 6 seconds. But speed also matters along with the correct answer. Answer so far. 15 seconds to go. Three, two, this is technical quiz by PR&P Standing Committee of IEEE Delhi section. Networking, learning, sharing, earning, because they are cash prizes to be won. First, second, and third prize winners. Let's see who is at 1, 2, 3 as of now. Mohit moves on, Yashika number 2, and Arjun number 3. You all are having your own scores on your phones, but overall scoreboard visible through my screen. This quiz, multi-select, and double points also. Which of the following protocols are used in email communication? Minute 2. SMTP, POP3, and IMAP are the protocols used for email communication. Keep doing all this. Still a lot to come. It's roughly a little more than 50% we have done. Which of these are features of blockchain technology? Sponsor, centralized control, distributed ledger, smart contracts, and on reversibility of transaction. Is the correct answer, along with second one, smart contracts. Mohit, Yashka, Sharik, number 1, 2, 3. Great. Keep challenging them. Quiz, multi-select with double points. Select the programming paradigms from the following: database-driven, functional, procedural, object-oriented, parallel, and disease. Technical quiz by the PR&P community of 5. Functional, procedural, and object-oriented are the programming paradigms. Yashka at the top. Great. Prakriti, number 5. Need to pick up. Everyone else can challenge them. In programming, what is the main purpose of constructor in object-oriented language like Java? Minute 2. To initialize an object's state. Yashka at the top. Great. Puzzle coming up. Arrange the steps involved in the booting process of a computer. So move these in the right order on your phones. Bootloader loading, BIOS execution, kernel loading, OS initialization. What in the right order? Arrange the steps involved in the booting process of a computer? BIOS execution, bootloader loading, kernel loading, and OS initialization. Only 2 people could get it. All right. Let's see the movement on the scoreboard. Arjun has come to number 3. Puzzles coming up now in the last section of the quiz with double scoring also. So there is still a chance for others to challenge and topple up. Data encryption process. Sequence the steps in the process of symmetric encryption. To do this, data encryption, key sharing, data decryption, declaration. The order of these activities in symmetric encryption. Answer to come. 15 seconds to go. 3 battles in this game. Right answer encryption is key generation, key sharing, data encryption, and data decryption. Sadly, no one could get it right. So there is no change in the scoreboard this time. Yashka still at top. Mohit and Arjun, number 2 and 3. Keep challenging. Double points still possible in a puzzle. Cybersecurity incident response. Arrange the steps in responding to a cybersecurity incident. Contain incident, recover system, write report, detect incident. Arrange these in the right on your phones. The big challenge. These days, across all countries, is cyber attacks, cyber incidents. We're looking at the order of half time. Roughly half the answer. 10 seconds to go. Incident management we are looking at. Right, that is detect, contain, recover, and write the report. The activity is not completed until and unless you write the report also. Prakriti moving up, that's great. Puzzle with double points. Once again, your chance. Order of technology evolution. Arrange these technologies in the order they were developed. How did that evolve? What came first? Second, third, fourth. Internet, personal computers, mainframe computers, and cloud computing. Seconds to go. Technology evolution we are looking at. What came first? Internet, personal computers, mainframe computers, cloud. Right. Order is mainframe, personal computers, internet, and then cloud computing. 4 people got it. All right. We can expect some movement on the board. Prakriti number 3. Arjun and Sharik, challenge for you. Puzzle with double points once again. Career path order. Arrange the typical progression in a technology career path from entry level to executive roles. You have 50 seconds to do this. CTO, junior developer, senior developer, team lead. Remember, you can score double this time. This is technical quiz. Quiz number 3. Every month we have been bringing the PR&P standing committee of IEEE Delhi Network. Learn, here to win cash prize. Disburse within 24 to 30 seconds. We see the career path starting from junior developer, then we become senior developer and team lead up to CTO, Chief Technology Officer in an organization. 7 people got it right, so we can expect some movement here. Prakriti number 2, Shashika, challenge, Arjun, Mohit, Sharik. Only 3 left. Puzzle with double points once again. Arrange the following file sizes from smallest to largest. And you have 90 seconds to do this. Seconds to get first answer. What is the smallest file size and the larger and the larger? Increasing order. Smallest to largest. 10 seconds to go. We're expecting one more answer. Four people got it right. 1024 bytes is the smallest file size, then 1 billion bytes, then 2 to the power 10 megabytes, and then 10 to the power 12 bytes. I'm not sure whether you use calculators to do this. There was enough time available, and there was no restriction as such posed by me. Yashika at the top, Arjun number 2, Sharik. It seems we are coming back to the original stand. Only 3 left, sorry. Puzzle with double points. Arrange these IEEE standards in the order of their release. Which standard was first? 802.15, 802.11, 802.3, or 1394? Technical quiz time by PR&P standing committee of IEEE. This question about which standard was first and then arranged in the order. 1.15, 802.11, 802.3, or 813.4. 3 people right? So little movement is expected. 802.3 came first of all, followed by 802.11 by 1394, and the latest has been 802.15 out of the four given to us in this question. Shari coming to number two, pushing Arjun down. Great challenge being posed, puzzle with double points. What is the correct, apologies for the typing mistake, order of steps in the agile development process? Agile development process. Delivering a demo to stakeholders, writing and testing code for user stories, discussing daily progress and blockers, or planning tasks for the sprint. 10 seconds. Go. Planning tasks for the sprint, which is called sprint planning, followed by daily stand-ups, which is discussing daily progress and blockers. Number three is development. You actually write the code now, writing and testing code for user stories, and review and retrospective, delivering a demo to stakeholders, and this cycle continues faster than the standard development methodology that was used in the world initially. The earlier stages, Yashika at the top, 25,000 is the score. This is the last one. Puzzle, arrange in the correct order of waterfall software development lifecycle. Yes. One is agile, we saw in the previous question. This one is about waterfall. Deployment, testing, line, and development. What is the correct order? The quiz this evening, technical, course number, everyone. PR&P section. This one, the membership development committee will with us. Quiz is brought by 2% of the section. Life cycle. 8 people got it right, so we can expect some movement, even if it's the last question. It was the last question. Design, development, testing, and deployment is the correct order. Let's see the overall scores. Number 3 is Arjun, keep playing for each other. And number 4, 25,888 points. As number technical quiz, quiz number 3 by the PR&P Standing Committee of IEEE Study Section. This time, membership development committee of the sector. Thus, request you to provide some feedback also. And stay on. Little announcement. So they have been saying, thank you very much. Great. Hope you can see me once again. May I request everyone to switch on cameras, please? We can have little interaction before we say before we log off and we say goodbye to each other. How was the fun? That's the first question. Yashika, great.
Yes, sir.
Any
It
comments?
was amazing.
I can't hear you very well.
Sir, it was amazing.
Amazing. Thank you very much. Playing or winning?
Sir, winning
Winning was amazing.
and playing too.
Playing too, very good. Anyone else, please?
Both both were amazing, sir.
Thanks, Sharik. Thank you very much. Both were amazing. Yes. And a question from Mohit. I like questions also. When next quiz is going to happen? So this was the last in this year. Hopefully, within the first month of the year, I'll be back with the next quiz. But I cannot tell the date yet. Time roughly, day in time, Friday evening, 7:30 p.m. IST. Date I'll have to see. Also, I need to design the quiz. Anyone else? Any inputs, any questions, any suggestions? Good, bad, ugly, all accepted. Tech or non-tech, Prakriti is asking. Again, I cannot answer this yet. It's not designed yet. Maybe a mix of both, but more of technical. We need to continue because IEEE is a technical organization, society. We need to do more technical in this. Yes. Excellent. Great. Khushi says that. Thanks, Sharik, switching on. I request everyone, if you don't mind, I would like to take a picture also. If you can switch on cameras, everyone, please. Thanks, Prakriti. I'll wait for a few more seconds. Repeating, this was the third in the series, once every month, quiz by the PR&P Standing Committee of IEEE Delhi section with an objective of fun first, learning also, networking also, sharing as well. Keep learning. Spread word about IEEE. One of the objective of these activities by the standing committees is to raise awareness and also encourage others to join IEEE. These events are open to all students, professionals, professors, faculty members, industry people, even students from schools if they want. So it's open to all and it's free. Cash prizes, the winners, I'll be writing to you separately. But before I write, even you can write to me directly with your phone number so that I start disbursing the amount by tomorrow morning. If no more input, suggestions, questions coming up, then I would like to thank you all for your participation. And I look forward to seeing you once again in the next year also. With this, as I said, being the last activity from us in this year, I wish you all great festive season. Thank you. Bye bye.